man we get up every day. I use my picnic for buy gaming chair, clothes and all sort of fuck, brother. More while me looking at myself and me say, yo, as a young lady, the type of men when me deal with me, I have to wonder if me sick. Because now when I look back on it and me I say to myself, say, what kind of man this? Not even move full righted. If you feel be my baby father, I would have run away. I would have packed chooks in a one bag and run away. I would have take chooks and I'll go live in a one cave. And this are the situation where you, brother. This is the situation, no, brother. Me don't, like, literally. And me don't fall. My own mother wait pan. Me don't fall. My own mom a wait pan. And me can't wait for them to come to me and say, yo, them ready. People go and lap off their mouth. Because that's all them good for. And people are going to boots them. But I want them go do it. I want them go spend their money and go do it. Since you want to own up things, go and go do it. I'm tired of uno. I put names for my son. If you ever look in my eyes, bro, you don't deserve nothing of them stinking people I put up on him. Nothing at all. And I'm me as some big waist girl walk on my foot and make some man have some things to come out and chat more, brother. But me not live by my ranks, me I move on, because I don't have me married in a sweet bumbo clad picnic, brother. But some go waste man, brother. Me a show no up, brother. Me a Father God. Me a show no up. And your time a come. You know what I cost a bad word? Early. Your time a come, brother. Your time a come, bro. You see fit everything uno and a family do to me, brother. Me know it early, you know, guys. Just easy. I say make a talk. See fit everything where across his family do me, it a go come back 10 times 10, bro. 10 times 10, bro. You see me? That me I tell you now. It can't be for him. It cannot be for him. It cannot be for him. Remember, me live there. Me live a Bellier. The dog did live a Falkland. You see me? Me and him did stop talk from February. I left a place from March. 2 weeks. I come back the 17. I have it on the video. That I when we did up so. Come back the 17 and down in the week. We got doctor the 25th of March. Get some medication and I take the medication and find out if I'm sick. No matter how me I take a pill, the pill not digest. I find out if I'm pregnant in April. So I'm tell me now. Every day till it come down to an ending. You ain't go through court. And me I sit down and I wait. Winter Cooper was gone. Me I sit down and I wait. Because a boy I can use my baby. The views. And I pretend pan top of it. And I ride pan it so long it's too disrespectful, bro. I wanna say my baby look like him no wicked. Cause Chooks don't look nothing like him, man. Nothing at all, not one jab. You know what Chooks like? You know what Chooks look like? As long as you how far along were you? Wait, let me come to you. You know what Chooks look like? Me Chooks look like. Chooks don't look like nobody. Me know what's me eye. Me ears every fucking thing, bro. Like me not say nobody pan the baby. So if him go cold, let him. Yeah, bro. Una na hear what me I say. Una na get what me I say. And that's what me I wait pan. And that's what me I wait pan the court. No feel like say me I run. Man I turn up firm. Run go weird. I have my proof. And if in somewhere afterwards the court don't make you sue him for certain things, I go see if I can look about that afterwards. It's like go too far now. If there's a way I can sue him afterwards for all of them little sitting here, what me have to go through, I am going to. But yeah, chat. We don't know. Sue him for what? Me don't know, chat. Me just say, bro, like, for all of everything, my must can drop some little something or a restraining order or something for have him not talk about me again after it. Nah play no match yet. Nah play no match. Nah play no match yet. Alright, so me no can sue him. So the people them a come go and like me no know when is it, you know, and them to come tell me. Me no know when it be chat. And them to come tell me. Me a wait. Defamation of character. Yes, me can sue him for that. I'm telling you, me can sue him for that. And that's what me a go do. That's what me a go do. Life need a clean slate. Una laugh. Una laugh. No funny, bro. For real, brother. For real, bro. Me not see nobody pan this alive here split no justice for me. They do love you involved with each other, so you can't. Oh, you can't. You are funny. Brother, me not laugh. It has some way. Almost can do something. Restraining order something. You see me? Alright. I realize that me alone don't know what attack, you know. So this is talk to a liar. Alright, chat. Alright, bro. Alright. Uno deaf? Or uno deaf? Uno nana ears? You have proof to sue. Yeah, me have enough proof. I have enough proof, chat. Enough proof. Enough proof. And after this, I'm always want to focus on my life. I just want to focus on my life and my well-being and health. And take myself from out of the little ray and passa, bro. Bro, my name never ever call upon something good. You shh. Never, ever. Never. Just one bag of casa, bro. You see how people start unfollow me, take down video. My closest friends start make backup page and come in and start disrespect. I walk on the road and people are disrespect and I laugh. Me I got a clinic, woman a push me out of car. Bro, no sir. Bro, I wish me did unknown. Reem, he cleared you from STD. Ah, thank God. Thank God. Watch out. Most of them have that to slut shame me. But me wouldn't take that as slut shame. You're embarrassing. So you go. I wouldn't take that as slut shame. Because by the end of the day, me take it upon myself to go a doctor. And me never say it to nobody. Me say it to somebody where I could have said, yo, lend me the money there until me can give you back for go a doctor. So I say, what me do wrong. Unlike some people, they would have stayed with it. They would have stayed with it, bro. So I go get myself checked. And I see some bag of people that disrespect me and they bring me down. And not even me give nobody the person me get it from. Or the person me get it from. And afterwards I go do a HIV test and more. So if you don't want wrong me if you go do that, fine. And somebody comment while I go and say me embarrassing. Bro, I never ask you all of my life to pay out on the internet. I never ask nobody if you come take out a revenge for me on the internet. The reason why they can't come out and say certain things is because they know who me did I talk to. The reason why they can't come on the internet and say certain things are because I'm a family. The reason why they can't come out and say certain things and get away with it are because I'm a family, bro. For anybody else, brother, it would have different. Once somebody come out on the internet and make this a full series, you know. I blame myself. You're there, you're late, mama. You're there, you're late. You're late to it. You are late to it. I blame myself from a longer time ago. Long freaking fucking time. Sit down and make your whole world a crush an innocent man. We're freaking loving and fucking caring. Sit down and watch the internet and tear my apart and just did the same way about me, bro. One bag of people are disrespect your dog and Mr. Jaja. That's the truth in a bless. It's just the truth and I like it. That come from the source. You see me? It's just the truth. I blame myself 100%. 100%. Morning, blessed morning. I blame myself 100%. Why can't you move on? Because the internet won't move on with the situation. You see me? They will not move on with it. Every day a video post. Every day a video post. You can't blame. Will you move on the internet? You start fret for what? What me afraid for? What the freak me afraid for? What the freak me afraid for? What the hell am I afraid for? Chat, I wanna go the conversation. I already have a little apartment and I'm gonna try get a little piece of land. Think them something they hard to find? Think them something they easy to find? Not easy. Pumpkin said you have to try. Me I try. Mama, me I try. It's hard when you have a mom who get up every day and build a new series for you. Get up every day and tell lies and people keep on carry them things upon TikTok and people start bullying me. Anytime I speak from my mouth and try to stand up for myself, them shun me, put words in my mouth, twist the whole story. And it just don't make no sense. Even know him name And them thing the effing godmother never come out, come say certain things. Wouldn't know. So the things them where my mother come out come say are the same thing when I come over here so come use and judge me. So when I talk about which generational curse, the generational curse I start from YouTube. The general whatever curse I start from YouTube. Sorry, me calm down. The curse I start from YouTube. I'm get into it. I'm go get in tune to it. Show you something. No brain now function. I'm showing you something. You can't find out what I would have got. The general the curse that come from years. Years. This is when 2022 May 13. This is how long. This is how long we're at it. This is how long we were at it. From in a 2022.
The first part of the address is the dog lit girl. I mean, I'm not joking. That's how me feel. And it's my own blood, my own flesh and blood. You understand what I say? Hi, sweetheart. Right? My own flesh and blood. Right? So no, me not go sit down and sit back. Me not sit back with nothing at all. Hi, honey, hi, baby. Me not sit back with nothing at all, guys. Me decide say me I go up on my YouTube channel and me I make up my video and me actually when me done me I make another video. Because this don't have nothing at all to do with billionaire. This don't have nothing at all for dog bed girl. Me not stop call her so. You understand me? That the dog bed girl the way they on TikTok. She in a one house yet. Me and her never let even spend like couple minutes in a one room. Right? Guys, me not like this hard. This hard and this disrespectful.
From them timing, from 2022, if you type in Annie and her daughter, just wait. From them time my brother this I go on. If all of you didn't know your dad break it and okay. I don't know my father. I don't know what my rightful father. So maybe that's why my cycle continue on. I don't know my father. My little sister don't know her father. Me can know her father. Alex know her father. My brother, yeah, know him feeling father. Me don't know my father. Me a Wilbert father. So that make generational curse keep up. And that then call generation curse when people don't know their father. Somebody say, girl, it's a lot more to it. Me know there's a lot more to it, but them a tell me what them want me here. Them a tell me what they want me here. It's one of generational curse. It's one of generational curse. Alright, I'm gonna look up generational curse by you Google. See if I can get a meaning from there, so. Cause when I tell me about who know one blood clot, tell me sorry for you, but I'm so sorry. Sorry. I don't have anything you don't want to ask me. Anything else you don't want to ask me otherwise from my son. Father God, just protect me now, man. You know, wicked, you know? When there's a sort of wicked people, you know, wicked bad. You know, wicked, a generational curse when you keep on carry on negativity. You know, so wicked. No, wicked, you know? Me, bomba, told them people are disgusting, they live for me pitney night and day, brother. Me, you know, yo, and my behavior I need to change. It's my behavior that I need to change. If I keep on behaving the same way like my mother, the curse is gonna keep on growing stronger and stronger. So I need to break the curse by stop acting like her and try to change. That's how you break the curse. Good thing I have 5% of sense. I almost take me for idiot. That means half of Jamaica with a curse, no? Them people are wicked, man. I don't know why me change my behavior. I don't want me act like some hooligan. I don't want to see good film. I don't want me act like some hooligan, brother. Some look mockers. You are me. Oh, Father God, them people. A good thing me strong. If me never eat this morning, I would write a star ball. I don't know if it stay so, bro. Like I not block them, make them stay. Everybody have them 2 cents and them opinion. Me can't wait. Me just can't wait for the day and them people. Yeah. Even make sense. People don't tell me say generational curse of everywhere not carrying the baby to the right father. It doesn't. When I carry the same toxic behavior in the relationship,